It's been about 40 to 45 minutes. Let's check on our pie. You can see that the crust has browned, perhaps just a little too much. If you have problems with your oven browning the crust edges too quickly before the inside of your pie has been cooked, then you might want to take a little bit of foil to put around the edges, or you can get pie shields. But the foil is definitely the cheap, easy way to do it. How you can tell if your pie is done is that the center will be firm. So you can lightly touch the center and you can see that it is nice and firm. So we want to take this out of the oven and we're going to cool it. You want to make sure that you cool your pie completely before you serve it, particularly if you're going to be putting anything on it. You don't want anything to be getting too hot. So we're going to let it sit on the wire cooling rack, let it cool completely. You probably want to have it cool for at least an hour. So if you're going to serve this for dinner, make sure that you finish baking it before you start your dinner. And we're going to let it cool and then we'll come back to it in a little bit.